Hello everyone and welcome back to Intellect Insight. Today we are diving into a simple yet fascinating mathematical trick known as the 9 trick. This trick is not only fun but also helps illustrate some fundamental concepts in mathematics. Let's get started. The 9 trick is incredibly easy to perform and always results in the number 9. Here's how it works. First, ask someone to think of any number. Second, multiply that number by 9. Third, if the result is a 2-digit number, add the digit together. Fourth, if the result is a single-digit number, that's the final answer. Fifth, the final answer will always be 9. Let's go through an example. Suppose someone thinks of the number 4. First, multiply 4 by 9, which gives us 36. Second, add the digits of 36 together. So it will be 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. And there you have it. The final answer is 9. Now let's try another example. Suppose someone thinks of the number 7. So step 1 would be multiply 7 by 9, which gives us 63. Second, add the digits of 63 together, means 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Again, the final answer is 9. But why does this trick work? The key lies in the properties of the number 9. When you multiply any number by 9, the sum of the digits of the result will always be 9 or a multiple of 9. This is because 9 is a special number in our base 10 number system. To understand this better, let's look at the multiplication table for 9. 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18. Here, if you add 1 plus 8, which gives us 9. 3 9s are 27. Again, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 4 9s are 36. Again, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, and so on. You will notice that the sum of the digits in each product is always 9. This trick is not only fun but also a great way to introduce concepts like multiplication, addition, and the properties of numbers. It's a perfect for kids and adults alike to explore the fascinating world of mathematics. So the next time you want to amaze someone with a simple yet powerful mathematical trick, remember the 9 trick. It's a fun and engaging way to explore the beauty of numbers. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the 9 trick. If you have any questions or queries, then do let us know in comment section below. Until next time, stay curious.